Nothing easier than interjections, isn't it? Once you know the feelings, you know how to use them. So today we are back at your own learning platform, Learn Forward, with your grammar book, the Grammar Hub for Grade 6 by Feathercap, and we are going to learn more about interjections, which is chapter number 20 of your book. Excited? Let's go along. Yes, underline the interjections in these sentences. So some students say, wow, we just have to see the mark of exclamation. Well done. That's your, yes, interjection. In the next, alas. So at least you know that interjections are always followed by a mark of exclamation, right? So this happens at the end of exclamatory sentences also. So moving ahead, let's quickly recall what are interjections. They are the words that express, yes, they are the certain feelings. Like you cannot bound yourself, you cannot control yourself saying those words suddenly when you get a feeling. And those feelings can be, they can be extreme joy, happiness, it can be pain, it can be sorrow, it can be grief, it can be an achievement, it can be to appreciate anybody, and lots more. So let's start the journey ahead. So this is about interjection. Now let's read what these people are saying. So can you see two children here at the court? Yes. So hurrah, I won the competition. So the girl is, what is it? It's her excitement. It's her overjoy that she said, hurrah, I won the competition. And this is your feeling when you get successful in any of your attempts, isn't it? So this is the interjection here. Now, oh, I broke the glass. The other boy, suddenly a glass slipped from his hand. It fell down and it broke. So he felt really sad. Can you see the feeling expression on the face of both these children separately? She looks so happy and he looks so sad, so disappointed. Why? Because the glass broke. So he was very sad and he said, oh, I broke the glass. So he was feeling sad on that. Now, what you have to remember is an interjection is placed at the beginning of the sentence and it's always followed by a mark of exclamation that you already know, all smart children. Yes, so here is a list of interjections along with when and where to express which feelings are you going to use these interjections. So let's get started. The first one is hello, hi. This is when you have to seek somebody's attention or you have to greet somebody. So you just say hello. Can you hear me? Can you see me? So you are seeking attention. And if you meet somebody, you say hello, how are you? So you are greeting that person. Next is for excitement, for joy, you say hurrah. Next is bravo, well done. So that is to appreciate somebody for some achievement, for some great work. Next, hey, oh, what? All these interjections can be used to show your surprise. It can be used to show your anger also, which is not in your control, right? So it's beyond control. That's why the interjections come out. Then it is wow. So when do you say wow? When you look at somebody's beauty, at somebody's quality which is immense, right? So that gives you a surprise. That can be to admire something, and it can be to show your pleasure also. It can be to show that you wondering how could it be. So this wow is used to show admiration. It is also used to show pleasure. It is also used to show wonder, right? The next one is alas, ah, oh. All these words are used to show, to express your sadness, to express your grief, to express sorrow over something, right? Coming to next is hush. So when you listen somebody saying shh, this is another word, shh, and a mark of exclamation after that. So both these are expressed to put somebody in silence. You want silence, so you just don't say keep silent. You just say shh, hush, right? So coming to next is ouch. Ouch is when you get hurt suddenly and it pains. So for sudden physical pain, you say ouch. Sometimes you say oh also. Then oops. Oops is like when you regret for somebody, for some action. Like in the picture that we saw, the boy could feel sad. So he said, oh, if he feels he's regretting, oh, it is by mistake that it is done. So he might regret over his action, whatever he was doing, and the glass fell off his hands. So he could even say oops. That means he's regretting for what he has done, or to draw attention to a mistake, that something went wrong. So you are not trying to hide it, you are just putting attention over it. Next is pooh, or what a shame. So for this is used to express your contempt, feeling of contempt. That means your feeling of dislike for something, right? You are not actually, you are not appreciating it, it's just the opposite. So that is contempt. To show contempt, you use the word pooh. That means you show your dislike for it. What a shame. It's really shameful. So you are not, you don't like it. Then goodbye. Just like we say hi, hello to somebody when you greet. So you say goodbye when you bid adieu to somebody, when you bid farewell to somebody. So that is a farewell greeting. Now, apart from these words, there are a few other parts of speech also. Some words which belong actually to other parts of speech, but sometimes in the sentences they are used as interjections. We have some examples here, like fool. So fool is a noun also, and it is used as interjection here, fool. Even dreadful sight, that is a noun. We use them as interjection. Then pronoun, what a beautiful scene it is. So here it is used, but this whole sentence is exclamatory actually. So we are using this also as interjection. Now sometimes the adjectives are also used as interjections. Like if something really strange happens to you, don't say the complete sentence, but out of your sudden feeling you simply react like strange, right? So that word strange, or the word adjective shocking, these also become interjections then. The words imperative, like here, here, that means you are you need to seek attention from somebody to listen to you. Do you hear me? Here, here. So this is also an interjection, which is actually a verb. Now adverb. So when are the adverbs used as interjections? How wonderful. So here we are using it as an adverb. Next, conjunction. As a conjunction you are using if I could see that. So that gives you the feeling of sudden expression of sudden feelings. So here the conjunction if is giving you the impact of interjections, and this whole sentence becomes the exclamatory sentence. That complete sentence is actually expressing your immense feeling there. So I hope the use of different interjections along with the feelings expressed with them are clear to you now. So let's move ahead. So here we have fill in the blanks with the suitable interjection. So we'll just see what feeling is being expressed there, and then we'll use that interjection. Dash, we lost again. That means you are into some competition or a match or something, and you are saying we lost again. So what is the feeling being expressed here? How do you feel when you lose something repeatedly? Yes, that is sad. You are feeling sad. So what do you use for sad? We use oh. So this is how you will pick out what interjection you have to take there. Read the sentence, just see what is the feeling expressed and correlate it with the interjections that we have just learned for expressing each feeling. Are you calling from the office? So that means you are greeting somebody, you are seeking attention. So what do you say? Hello. Are you calling from the office? Next, she won the lottery. So what could be the feeling expressed here? Yes, that could be a feeling of surprise. That could be a feeling of Wonder also. You really wonder how could she has won the lottery. So if your expression is wonder, you are going to use wow. So wow is correct here. And if it is a surprise for you, you can also say hey. So that means more than one interjection can be used at a place, right? To express different feelings. Next, you rescued the little girl. So when you help a little girl, you rescue a little girl. So what is that feeling? What do you say? You cheer up. You admire that action, isn't it? So what will you use? Did we learn about admire? This is wow. So this is an admiration. You are admiring the action, the deed of rescuing that little girl. Silence in the library. It's easy. Yes, it could be hush. It could even be shh. Right? Now coming to next is you are admiring again the beautiful butterfly. So what have we used for admiring? Wow, what a beautiful butterfly. Next, that's not good. So that means you are contempting, right? So you don't dislike somebody's deed. Then what do you use? Yes, it's poo. That's not good. Then coming to next is that cut is deep. That means it pains, isn't it? So for pain, what do you use? Ouch. Right? Yes. Next, we have won the shield. So that shows your joy. Yes, you got it correct. It's hurrah. We have won the shield. Next, the old woman is no more in the world. So that is a matter of grief, sorrow. So what do you use to show grief? Alas. Alas, she's no more. Right? Okay, now coming to next, they have given you an exercise where you have to indicate the emotions that are expressed here. So the interjections are already given. You just have to tell what emotion is being expressed here. So for the first one, it's hurrah, we won the championship. So it is showing your, yes, it's showing your joy, happiness. Next, oh, what a huge snake. That's a surprise for you. So, oh, here is used in context of surprise. Next, what? It's not possible. So what expression do you see on my face when I'm saying what? It's not possible. Again, it's a surprise. So this is how you have to express what feeling is being expressed, what emotion is being expressed by these. Hush, everyone is sleeping. Yes, you got it right there for silence. Ah, what stupid mistake. So what are you doing here? Ah is used for, again, surprise. So it is not, you are not contempting, but then ah is used to show surprise. Okay, so hush is for silence. Ah is for surprise again. And then what a shame, you cheated. So what is this? What a shame or pooh. Both are used for contempt. So that's it. So what we have learnt in interjections in the session, interjection is a word that expresses your sudden feeling, you cannot control it, and the words actually come out suddenly, right? So here's practice to perfect. So you have ticked the correct answer. MCQ questions here for you. Interjection is always followed by, yes, an exclamatory mark. Dash, our team has won the match. So what's that? It's hurrah. Good. Oh, what a beautiful flower. The colored word. What does this express? Does that express surprise, joy, admiration, or all of these? That expresses your surprise, right? So it's not joy. Oh is not used for joy. It is not even used for admiring something. Now, next is how wonderful. So what part of speech is used to express emotion in this sentence? We have already learned the different parts of speech used to express the emotions. What was that? Do you remember? How wonderful? We learned that this is adverb, right? So I hope interjections, different interjections, the uses, the feelings which are expressed by each one of them are clear to you. So we'll be looking ahead for more interesting sessions in grammar with Minnie. Till then, happy learning, children.